Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 14T Pro, and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find security and privacy. Let's tap on it. Now we have to scroll down and enter more security and privacy, which is at the very bottom of the list. And now scroll down to localize encryption and credentials. Let's tap. At the very bottom of the list, we've got the option we're looking for, so clear credentials. Let's tap on it and confirm it with OK. If you've got any kind of screen lock, you will have to enter it to confirm the whole step. And as you can see, not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive, which means that we just successfully removed all saved certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.